Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Nissan Murano S in pearl white. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6414A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.